has not secured the victory since November of last year. What do you think has been missing from your team performances?
You talk about teams, so it comes with cohesiveness, coordination, understanding, commitment, desire. We're not getting that on a consistent basis on the match days.
Football is mental as much as it's physical. How are your teams staying motivated?
Well, you see it in the day-to-day training, but you're not seeing the same motivation in the day-to-day training coming out in the game. Keeping spirited, not getting down or not getting break because something's not happening your way as an individual.
And you mentioned that your team is not gelling together. Do you know what's the reason behind all of this?
No,
Coach, the first half ended 2-love and the second half ended 2-love as well. But the second half was where gameplay was concerned. Harbour was far better in the second half. What was the difference in the first half and the second half?
I think the attitude in terms of committed to the scenario, what is going on in the game, committed to the tackles, the run back, the 1v1s, stopping the game, stopping them from play. That was it. That we get in the second half, but we never get it from the start of the game.
Would you say that if a team would play like that specific second half, like most of the game this season, would have reaped a lot better results, right?
You have to play with that attitude all day, every day. It can't be when you feel like. It must be all day, every day. So you're playing, you can't turn off the switch. You have to leave the switch on. You can't lock it off and then you want to turn it on a match day. No, you have to leave it on straight through. So we have to think about the game, think about your opponent, think who you're going up against. So you stay mentally in the game, you focus in the game, and it have to be collectively.
So would you say that second half performance is more equipping you guys now going on for the further of the season? So that is the benchmark.
We're hoping, because it seems like that every game. So most of the games that we play since the beginning of the second round, we start slow, second half it much better.
Okay.
So we're not seeing it from the get-go, hard, controlling the ball, controlling the game, the tempo of the game, all of those things, ball control, tempo of the game, managing of the game. So in those moments, we're still making some simple mistakes, and that costs us.
But as I say, it was not a tactical change, it was more the mental change going to the second half.
Yeah, it is mental. Some people watching the sun and thinking about the sun. So Portmore's playing in the sun as well. We are playing in the sun. Portmore's playing on the tough surface as well. We are playing there as well. So, we have to fight.
All right, Coach. A loss in itself is a hard feeling, but a loss like this today, where 3 out of the 4 goals were made by basically defensive errors. Is there anything that you think that you can actually work on in the upcoming week to try to avoid those?
It's not even me working on it, it's for players to understand in terms of organizing the team or people around them. So when you understand how to organize people around them, you're more effective as a group and you're more harder to break as a group.
All right, thank you.